Namaskar everyone. I am welcoming you all in this special session by the 𝐍𝐸 Academy, and I am delighted here to launch a very unique and a new program by the 𝐍𝐸 Academy for preparing UPSC examination, especially for those students who have just passed out after class 10th. Now, you may be having that question, why and how we launched this program at 𝐍𝐸 Academy for the class 10 student, and also this question is very much logical, reasonable also. Now, see, for the UPSC exam, definitely the eligibility is the graduation. Not an issue in that. And generally, students start preparing for this exam either in their last year of graduation or after the graduation. But what happens at that point of time? Let's say if their classmates are getting placements in the corporate, they get anxious about it. They are getting placed and I have to put one more year of the effort in the civil service examination. And secondly, they have very less time at that point to prepare. So the syllabus becomes a burden for them. And to resolve this entire issue only, we at 𝐍𝐸 Academy has launched this unique program. Now, before going in depth of this program, let's discuss some of the core benefits for your children, for the students of this particular program of 5 years. So, see, definitely before deciding on anything, we always see its benefits. Same way, this course which we are launching having its own several benefits, and the biggest benefits is the longer career. Remember, anyone who wants to enter in the services, the goal is not just to become the IAS or IPS officer. The goal is also to reach at the top position available in the services, like to become cabinet secretary, to become director general of police, right? And it is only possible when students entering into services at the age of 21 or 22, and our program makes this possible. How? Because by this age they are absolutely prepared to attempt the UPSC examination. On the one hand, those who has freshly graduated and appearing for the exam, they might be still preparing for it, whereas your children or a student will be ready by this point of time to appear for the exam with a strong foundation, with a strong preparation. That is the first advantage of it. Secondly, career clarity. See, this teenage, like when the students goes in the college, they get a lot of attractions, they come to know about lot of options and they get confused, and many times they are not be able to take a right choice after their graduation. But what if they are already in a guidance of the expert faculties, in the guidance of the officers, where there's no chance to deviate from the path? And that's what we offer at the 𝐍𝐸 Academy to the students: the stability in the career, the clarity about the career. Apart from it, the most important thing, even which we discussed, the burden of syllabus. If you try to prepare for this examination in a 1 year, definitely it is going to be the hardest thing. But what if we divide the entire syllabus in the 5 years program, where you are going to learn about the things gradually without creating any burden? And remember, fresh and happy minds only brings the result. And that is why we are targeting the students in the class 10th, and we want to make them the officers with this approach. Apart from it, again, these are the things about their career in later. But remember, this program is also going to benefit in their academic excellence, in their personality development. How? Because in the UPSC's preparation, students' thinkings are enhanced. How? By teaching them current affairs, right? By teaching them critical thinking, and that will make them a perfect personality, right? Along with the suitable candidate to become an IAS and IPS officer. So this is how we at the Ekagra Academy are targeting these things. Also, here, like when the students enters in an earlier age, normally what happens, many students start preparing in the age of 24, 25, and they will be having that pressure to like having a responsibility of family. So they are able to give only 1 or 2 attempt, and by the time they are ready to get a result, they leave the field. But once your children or students start attempting at early age, they will have a more chances to get it clear, even if not in first attempt, then at least by the third attempt, and that is also at the age of 23, which is not too late for a candidate to clear the UPSC examination. So it is also one of the core benefit, and definitely like we discussed, it is not just about preparing them to attain the examination. It is all about grooming their personality, developing various skills in them. Like at the Ekagra Academy, we take mock interviews, we organize group discussions, which will make them ready to become a very confident public speaker at any program at any level. That is how we touches the every parameter or every aspect of your children, of the students. So that is what the benefit of this entire program, right? So hope so you all have must understood about this thing. Now let's discuss how this entire program will work, right? We are not going to do something ki okay, let's repeat everything for the 5 years. As we discussed, the coverage will be gradual from the scratch to the advanced level without creating any kind of burden, and that is going to happen in such a way that students are going to enjoy the learning process. They are going to learn by will, not by force. Let's discuss how this entire program will goes on, right? Let's start. See, this entire program is divided into the 5 phases. As this entire program is of 5 year, so we divided every phases. We given 1 year for every phase. It all start with the phase 1 when your children is in class 11, right? See, at this level, students just need a fundamental clarity, and we give the same to the students. We are going to increase the level of study gradually. So it will not even hamper their school studies, their college studies as well. So at this stage, what we are going to teach them? We are going to teach them the basic NCERT from class 6 to class 8. Apart from it, we are going to teaching them the basics of the mathematics and the reasoning of level 1, so that they can understand the demand, they can learn the foundation of these subjects, not just of the general studies but also of the maths and reasoning. Once they are going to move ahead, they are going to enter in the class 12. Program is going to go for a 1 level up, right? Where we are going to shift toward the NCERT of class 9th and 10th. Maths and reasoning is going to be bit advanced at stage 2, and new thing will be entered in their module, that is how to read newspaper and how to be ready with the current affairs, right? After it, once students are going to enter in the degree college phase, they are going to shift from pre-foundation to the foundation phase in the first year of their college, right? See, by these 2 years, students are ready with the basic concepts. Now they are ready to learn the fundamentals of the UPSC subjects, right? Now, even in the first year of college, our core focus will be on the NCERTs, and here we will be covering class 11th and 12th NCERT. We are going to up in the level of newspaper and the current affairs, and one new thing is going to be entered, that is tests and one-to-one mentorship. From here, we are going to make students ready for the competition. We are going to give them that environment where they will be able to sustain in the competitive environment of the UPSC examination. After completing that, once your children goes in the second year of college, right, again we will start the real UPSC. We will start teaching them the core subjects of UPSC. Again, not by creating burden, but the beginning will be from the prelims point of view and everything from the scratch. Secondly, CSAT will be there, and the entire CSAT where the maths, reasoning, comprehension will be covered will be taught here in an UPSC's manner at the level of UPSC examination. And finally, students are going to take a taste of the key of UPSC, that is answer writing practice sessions, and definitely weekly test and the one-to-one mentorship will goes on. Remember, after completing the IAS Foundation Phase 2, students at least will be ready to attempt the UPSC prelims, and even up to a certain extent they will be ready to appear for the mains examination. Now, once they are going to reach in the final year of their examination, final year of their college, we will give them holistic and comprehensive preparation package in our IAS Rankers batch, for which like students prepare and finally give the exam in the upcoming year. Here, what we will be doing, we will be completing the GS prelims, GS mains syllabus with 3 times revision. Same goes to CSAT. Even we will be covering the prominent things which actually gives a score in the UPSC examinations, like optional paper, like essay writing, along with the language paper completion for both the papers which comes in the mains examination. And here the preparation will be holistic. Complete support, complete hand holding will be given to the student, from the test to the PYQs discussion to the test discussion, mentorship and the revision. All the fundamental parameters will be covered in this final year, and then student will be ready to appear for the examination. So this is how, without burdening them, without creating the difficulty level, we are preparing them in a very smooth manner, in a very gradual manner, which is not going to even hamper their college studies. It is actually going to contribute in their academic performance even at the college. So in crux, the entire program is about the level 1, which is like starts from the class 11, then level 2 in class 12. Then we are going to enter into a foundation phase for 2 years, and then in the 5 year there will be a rankers batch where students will be in their final phase of preparation. So the batch is going to start soon. Take the benefit of this program launched by the 𝐍𝐭𝐞𝐬 Academy as soon as possible. Here the contact information has been given. By contacting, you can know about more and more information. Thank you.